Wow, so many fresh fruits. How much are these apples? I want to buy some.
This place is beautiful. So many people, so many fruits and vegetables. Red apples, green apples, bananas, oranges, peaches. Everything looks fresh and clean. I love this market.
Market. Fresh fruit, vegetables. Beautiful.
Hello.
Hello. These apples look very nice.
Yes, they are fresh.
Are they sweet?
Yes, very sweet and juicy.
Can I try one?
Yes, of course.
Very good. I like them.
These apples look nice. Are they sweet? Can I try one? They are fresh.
I want apples.
How many?
I want 4 apples.
Big or small?
Big apples, please.
Okay, 4 big apples.
Thank you. Oh, these peaches look amazing. Are they soft?
Yes, very soft and sweet.
I like soft peaches. I want 2 peaches.
Okay, 2 peaches.
Thank you.
I want 4 apples. I want 2 peaches. Big or small? Thank you.
Bananas. I need bananas too. How much are the bananas?
$2.
Okay, I want 3 bananas.
Here you go.
Thanks. How much is everything?
Apples, $4. Peaches, $3. Bananas, $2. Total is $9.
Okay, $9. I have $10. Here is $10.
Thank you. $10 minus $9. Here is $1 back.
Thank you. $1. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Change equals $1.
Hello.
Hi.
Do you have strawberries?
Yes.
How much?
$3.
Maybe next time.
No problem.
Do you like this market?
Yes, very much. It is clean and friendly.
Thank you.
I will come again. Fresh fruit is the best. Healthy and delicious. Today was a good day.
You learned apple, peach, banana, fresh, sweet, how many, how much, cash, change. Key sentences. I want 4 apples. How much is it? Can I try one? Here is $10. Here is your change. Markets are fun and easy. Use simple English. Speak clearly. And enjoy shopping. Keep practicing every day. You are getting better. See you next time.